In a bold and impactful move, the Twipra Students Federation, TSF, has declared a 12-hour strike across the state, sending a powerful message that resonates deeply with the hearts of many. This strike, slated to last from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., is driven by two pivotal demands: the adoption of the Roman script for Kokborok language and the immediate implementation of 125 constitutional amendments. These demands, forged through decades of struggle, have been met with silence from both the state and central governments. The TSF's cry for change is a testament to the unwavering spirit of a generation determined to reshape their linguistic and constitutional landscape. Heralding change, the TSF's demand for Roman script, a long-standing quest for identity and acceptance. For over half a century, the TSF has steadfastly championed the cause of adopting the Roman script for Kokborok, a language deeply embedded in the heritage of the Twipra people. The quest for the Roman script is more than a linguistic endeavor. It represents a yearning for recognition, inclusion, and cultural pride. The call for change echoes across generations, echoing the sentiment that embracing the Roman script is a step toward harmonizing tradition with modernity. A struggle ignored, government inaction. Despite numerous appeals and the submission of a memorandum to the governor of the state, the TSF's plea has been met with resounding silence. The lack of response underscores the challenges faced by marginalized languages in gaining official recognition. The strike serves as a poignant reminder that the suppression of linguistic diversity stifles the voice of communities seeking to preserve their unique heritage. Empowering the Constitution, demanding 125 constitutional amendments. A transformational agenda. The demand for the implementation of 125 constitutional amendments is a testament to the TSF's commitment to upholding the principles of justice, equality, and inclusivity. These amendments are envisioned to empower marginalized communities, ensure representation, and rectify historical injustices. The TSF's call for change is not merely an appeal, it's a rallying cry to reshape a society that respects the rights and aspirations of every citizen. The echoes of unheard voices. Decades of governmental inaction have perpetuated the marginalization of certain communities. The TSF's demand for constitutional amendments is a clarion call to address the grievances of the past and pave the way for a more equitable future. The strike draws attention to the urgency of this issue, emphasizing that every voice deserves to be heard, regardless of background or identity. A stand for change. The 12-hour strike, an emotional endeavor. The 12-hour strike is more than just a period of cessation. It's an emotional embodiment of the TSF's hopes, dreams, and aspirations. It's a poignant plea for change, echoing through the streets and resonating in the hearts of those who have long yearned for justice. As the state unites in this momentous strike, the emotions run high, serving as a reminder that collective action has the power to rewrite history. A turning point. The strike symbolizes a turning point where silence is replaced by voices raised in unity. It marks a moment of awakening where the demands of the TSF take center stage and cannot be ignored any longer. This is an emotional journey driven by the yearning for a better future, one that embraces cultural diversity and honors the essence of democracy. The Twipra Students Federation's 12-hour statewide strike is an emotional crescendo in a symphony of change. It is a heartfelt demand for linguistic recognition and constitutional equity, a call that resounds across generations. As the state pauses in solidarity, it sends a powerful message to the corridors of power, a message that change cannot be deferred any longer. It's a reminder that emotions are intertwined with demands for justice, and when emotions run deep, change is inevitable. What is the purpose of the 12-hour statewide strike by the TSF? The strike aims to draw attention to two crucial demands: the adoption of the Roman script for Kokborok language and the implementation of 125 constitutional amendments. Why is the adoption of the Roman script important for the Kokborok language? The adoption of the Roman script is seen as a step toward preserving the cultural heritage and identity of the Twipra people and making it easier to be able to communicate and write in the modern-day world, where Roman script is being used as a means of communication in the nation-states. What are the 125 constitutional amendments demanded by the TSF? These amendments seek to rectify historical injustices, empower marginalized communities, and promote inclusivity.
Ini 28 Agust GSF by Ringza Baragon Tanipon Jung Sara Tirpura Genangi no Tabok sini Warriors rock sini members rock Ai Kokborok na hamzak nai rock Jota Tirpura Hani Lukurok sini Kokborok na borom khlai nai rock Ini jota no Nogo asukui tongnya woi Amawa angkal laizak Sini strike no successful kani bagai Mohon jeng ini agar tala bot jeng asukui tonglia jeng TSF rock jeng tina agar tala bot jeng tabo sini packaging jeng cholei tongo jeng khlai thangnai tini salsa ma keno jeng agar tala bo khlai thangnai amo sini message tai jeng aroni simen naroni trutoi amo bo message ranai musung sarkar no sini khorang khnai angke sini dabina mane na yake Kokborok na Roman script by Sunani Shape Yanke Omni Saibo Choba Koto Taibo Buskalo Umi Mano Abni Bagai Jung Sarkar Government na Asokui Tongne Rokna Ewer Kleina ni Musumo Sini Demand na Date Mane na ni Bagai Jadi Date Mane yake Omni Saibo Choba Koto Taibo Ungi Thangnai.
Today, 28 August, TSF call all Twipra strike for our language script. We are asking the government and central government. We have rights to our language to write our own language, and we prepare. We are asking for one side. This demand is constitutional demand. We are not against any community. We are not here for any communal violence. We are just asking. We are demanding our language one script. So that is why we here brigading and this demand is very long time demand, long pending demand. This is why we are came here today at Agartala asking and demanding for this one script.
কি জন্য ওরা খবর করছিল
ওদের রোমান স্ক্রিপ্টের ডিমান্ডের ব্যাপার নিয়ে ওনারা প্রদর্শন করছিলেন থ্রু অফ দ্য স্টেট। এটা চলছে অনেক মাল্টিপল লোকেশনে, এখানে হচ্ছিল। তো আজকে ওরা এখানে প্রদর্শন করার সময় রাস্তা অবরোধ করেছে, হুইচ ওয়াজ ইলিগাল। তো ওদেরকে ডিটেনশনে নেওয়া হয়েছে।
ওরা কোন অর্গানাইজেশন স্যার?
এখানে তো এটা আমব্রেলা অর্গানাইজেশন, অনার অর্গানাইজেশনের মেম্বাররা আছে, বেসিক্যালি TSF এর মেম্বাররা আছে।
কতজনকে আপনারা অ্যারেস্ট করেছেন?
এখন তো পুরো কাউন্টে অ্যাকচুয়াল কাউন্টটা বলা সম্ভব না, মানে ডিটেনশন সেন্টার থেকে নাম নিয়ে ওদেরকে অ্যাকচুয়াল কাউন্টটা আমরা জানাবো। মোস্ট প্রবাবলি 35 to 40 অ্যাপ্রক্স।
আরও কি রয়েছে আপনার জানার মতো কোনো জায়গায় হেজিটেশন?
এখন তো অনেক লোকেশনে আছে, সিমিলার কারবাই করা হচ্ছে, এদের সাথে নেগোসিয়েশন চলছে। তো সবই স্টুডেন্ট সব কোঅপারেট করছে।
TSF যেহেতু আপনি নাম নিয়েছেন, ওরা আজকে স্ট্রাইক ডেকেছিল।
জি।
তো আপনার যে অ্যারেস্ট করেছেন এটা আপনার রাস্তা অবরোধের ইয়েতে অভিযোগে বা ইয়েতে, তো ওরা যে স্ট্রাইক করেছে আপনারা কি জানেন?
ডিটেইন করা হয়েছে,
হ্যাঁ,
ওদেরকে প্রিভেন্টিভ ডিটেনশনে নেওয়া হয়েছে।
স্ট্রাইক ডেকেছিল তারা, আপনারা কি জানেন? নলেজ আছে?
স্ট্রাইক ডাকা হয়েছে গতকালকে, আমরা একটা খবর পেয়েছি। তারপরে এই জন্য আমাদের এখানে পর্যাপ্ত মাত্রা সিকিউরিটি অ্যারেঞ্জমেন্ট ছিল, যাতে ওদেরও আর পাবলিক কমিউনিটিদের কোনো ইনকনভিনিয়েন্স না হয়।
Thank you.